Hello everyone, today we're gonna learn how to allow an app roadblock through Firewall. So we have to go to the start bar and search for Firewall and network. If you don't see this allow an app through Windows Firewall, we can just go to the Firewall and network protection. You just go click it. And then we have to scroll down, go and see that there is allow an app through Firewall. Okay, then let's go ahead and click on it, and now we can see that all the applications are appearing here. So to make sure, you have to give the change settings to access your application from here. So you have to find your roadblocks application here. So for example, if this is the roadblocks application and you just give the tick mark, and there is an option of private and public. You just tick it and give OK to it. So this is how you just allow your roadblocks through Firewall. And if this video is very helpful to you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.